Alias is a temporary name assigned the tables or columns for the duration of the queries. Aliases are primarily used to make the queries are the more readable and to simply complex equations. Why we use the alias? To make the columns of the table names are the more meaningful while you're dealing the data analysis process, or to simplify the query writing, especially for the long or nested names, to difference between the columns with some names for the multiple tables in the joins. If you have the multiple tables have the same names, you can use some. It's a confusion, right? That's why you use the alias and join the tables. Like I show you the example. Select and sorry, is and not, and the last name as, and the last name from, what was the table name, forgot the table name, the very first. And then we have it's the names of the changes. The names is the first name as underscore name is changed to first name, and the last name is changed to last name. But once the execution does, it's if you run anything next the query, it's a changes. Like I show you the example. Select star from user details. There is no such as a name, so as you mentioned earlier, is a changes like first name and the last name. This is only useful while you're dealing with the multiple tables or the joins, or the use names as a change the names while you're the like as a querying or dealing with something.